Friend, what we've achieved is mind-blowing. We've developed proprietary artificial intelligence that lets you auto-create fully functional flipbooks in a flash that you can sell and keep 100% profits. As you know, business owners and marketers love flipbooks because flipbooks are easy to use. Flipbooks are responsive across all devices. Flipbooks are easy to share. There are no print or distribution costs. Instantly share your flipbook via a simple link on social media or in an email. No upload or download time needed. Flipbooks have built-in security options. Decide who can view, share, and download your digital publication. Flipbooks give you insightful marketing statistics. Gain insightful data on your readers, how they came to see your flipbook, their demographics, number of views, device, and more. But we need to accept the truth. Creating a stunning flipbook is a daunting task because you need to spend weeks writing the content and buy expensive designing tools to turn your boring PDF or ebook into a flipbook. You need to watch videos to learn how to insert links, videos, etc. inside your flipbooks. You need to pay $450 to $650 per flipbook on platforms like Fiverr. What if there's a brand new groundbreaking software that creates fully functional flipbooks in a flash that you can sell and keep 100% profits? It's all thanks to EazyFlipBook app. Brand new app auto-creates fully functional flipbooks in a flash that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits. 2,000 plus flipbooks in 50 niches preloaded to get you started instantly so you can sell or give away to clients for leads or profits. Start your own flipbooks business in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log into EazyFlipBook cloud-based app. Step 2. Use 2,000 plus flipbooks in 50 niches preloaded to get you started instantly or create flipbook from PDF, images, or text, or use our DFY Content Article Builder to create content for your flipbook. Step 3.